Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Salesforce for better sales performance step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current Salesforce setup. Identify the key metrics you want to improve, such as lead conversion rates or sales cycle length. Next, gather feedback from your sales team on existing processes and pain points. Use this input to prioritize enhancements based on user needs and business goals. Begin with customizing your Salesforce dashboards. Create personalized views that highlight important KPIs for each sales representative. Incorporate real-time data to help your team make informed decisions. Next, focus on lead management. Set up lead scoring to prioritize high-quality leads. Automate lead assignment to ensure timely follow-up. Now, enhance your opportunity management processes. Define your sales stages clearly to ensure consistency across the team. Set up automation for routine tasks like sending follow-up emails. Consider using Salesforce's workflow rules to streamline these processes. Next, integrate Salesforce with other tools your team uses. Link your email marketing platform to track the impact of campaigns on sales. Integrate communication tools like Slack for quicker internal updates. Now, focus on training your sales team. Conduct regular training sessions to familiarize them with new features and tools. Encourage frequent use of Salesforce to foster a culture of data-driven decision-making. Evaluate the effectiveness of your optimizations regularly. Use Salesforce reports to track performance against your initial metrics. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure continuous improvement. Finally, foster a feedback loop with your team. Encourage them to share insights on what's working and what needs attention. Implement changes based on their input to create an evolving Salesforce environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.